how to create international TikTok account in Ghana. So this is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, what you have to do is just locate Play Store app and then click on it, and then over here simply come to the search button and then come and search for TikTok. Okay, just type in TikTok, and then when it comes, simply come and then select the TikTok just like this one. Okay, so after selecting it, the TikTok is going to come just like this one. Come and then select the official TikTok app and then press on it. Okay, so when you press on it, it will come for you to install just like this one. Come and then tap on the install. So when you tap on the install, it is simply going to download and then install for you. Okay, so as you can see, it has finished. Then come and click on the open. So when you tap on the open, the TikTok app is simply going to open just like this one. What you have to do is to simply come and then select the interest that you want. I'm going to select the comedy. After that, simply come and then select another two. So I'm going to select the dance, and then after selecting the dance, I'm going to select another one. Okay, so I'm going to select the food, making it 3. So after selecting what you are interested in, simply come down here to where we have the next and then come and click on the next. Okay, so after tapping on the next, what you have to do is simply come here to where it says start watching and then come and click on the start watching. What you have to do is simply come here to the profile and then come and tap on the profile. And then after tapping on it, this will come that if you have an account, you should log in. But you are going to create a brand new account. So simply come down here to where we have don't have an account. Okay, come and then click on sign up. Okay. So after tapping on it, what you have to do is to simply come and then select use phone or email. Select that one. Okay, just simply tap on it. So after tapping on it, it will bring you right here, and then over here the country code, we are going to change it to that of the United Kingdom. Okay, simply come and then locate where we have the down arrow and then come and then tap on it. So when you tap on it, over here we are going to search for the country. Where it says search country, simply come and then type in United Kingdom. Don't forget, type in United Kingdom, and then where we have the search option, okay, simply come and then tap on it. So when you tap on the search, the United Kingdom is going to show up just like this one, and then come and then select it. Okay, so after selecting it, you will see that the country code has changed from that of Ghana to that of United Kingdom. If you have the number, simply come and then put it right here. But since I said I'm going to teach you how to use it without a phone number, what you have to do is that we are going to select an email address. Okay, so just come here to where we have the email and then come and then tap on it. Okay, so when you tap on the email, it is going to give you an option to use your email instead of the phone number. So simply come and then put the email right here. Okay, so I'm going to put my email right here and then come down where we have the continue and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, so when you click on the continue, it is going to bring you right here to create a password. Create a strong password just like this one. Then come down here to where we have the next and then come and tap on the next. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is simply come and then set your date of birth by coming to put it right here. But when you come down, just scroll down. As you can see, you can simply come and then set the day. Okay, the day of your date of birth, and then the month. After setting the month, then come and set the year just like this one, and it is going to appear just like this one. And then simply come here to where we have the next and then come and tap on the next. Okay, so after tapping on the next, what you have to do now is to come and then create a nickname for your TikTok account. So I'm going to create one, a simple one, and then this is what I'm going to create. So it says mimic. That is what I'm going to use as my nickname, and then simply come down here to where it says confirm and then come and click on the confirm. Okay, so after clicking on the confirm, you will see that we can go to the profile again by coming to click on the profile, and then you will see that our account has been created. What you have to do is to simply come to the 3 bar section and then come and then tap on it. Okay, and then come down here to where we have the creator tools, and then come and then tap on the creator tools. So when you tap on the creator tools, you see the monetization options right here. You can see all the monetization options by clicking on view all. So when you click on the view all, they are all going to come. And then over here, you can see your estimated earnings within the last 7 days. Okay, so when you click on the arrow, it is going to open. Okay, so just click on it. So when you click on it, you are going to see that you have earned $0 for now because you have just created the account as it is shown right here. Okay, so when you come down, you will see the eligibility criteria. Just take your time and then read it and then start creating content. So after reading it, what you have to do is that you have to make sure that you can unlock all these. So before you be able to unlock it, what you have to do is to simply scroll down and then come and then turn on the notifications, okay? So that when you meet the criteria, just they will notify you by simply coming to click on get notified when I'm eligible. Okay, so when you click on it, just come here to the notification settings and then come and select all programs. Okay, just come and then check the arrow and you are done. Okay, so this is actually how to create an international TikTok account right here in Ghana without using any international phone number. Like the video and then see you in my next video.